Most of the time, if you're seeing red staining in your sinks and bathtubs, it's because of iron. Iron can exist in two main forms in the home, ferrous iron and ferric iron. Fortunately, neither of them is dangerous or harmful. It can give you a little bit of a bellyache if they're at higher concentrations, but neither of them is generally considered dangerous. It is, however, a big nuisance. You have to scrub it off, it can taste bad, and obviously it looks terrible, but it's not a health risk. If you're on a water utility line and you're seeing this all of a sudden kind of red, orange, browny, yellow, yucky water coming out of your tap, run your water for a couple minutes, and if it goes away, it's probably just the consequence of them flushing the lines, a practice they do on a fairly regular basis around the neighborhood to make sure that water isn't staying stagnant in weird corners of the distribution system. So it should go away. If not, call your water utility and see what's up. If you're on private well water or smaller water system well water, and this has been an issue you have kind of cyclically or as part of a season or all of a sudden and it's not going away, you might need to consider an iron filtration system for the home. And doing a water test will help you figure out what is the right type of filtration system you need, not just for the iron, but for any other metals that might be dissolved in there and hiding, not presenting as an orange or yellow or brown color. Again, most water contaminants, unlike iron, aren't going to necessarily tell you with a color or a taste or a smell that they're in the drinking water or not. So that's where the water testing comes in handiest. If you have any other questions about colors, look at the complete color guide we've linked below. We've summarized a bunch of the different colors that different types of contaminants might impart on your drinking water, and that could hopefully be helpful in diagnosing some things on your own at home. And there you have it. If you still have questions, let me know. I look forward to hearing from you.